Groundnut oil is one of the most widely used cooking oils in the world. But have you ever wondered how it's made? It begins with freshly harvested groundnuts arriving at the factory. Each batch is carefully inspected to ensure quality. The groundnuts are then cleaned to remove dirt, stones, and unwanted materials using vibrating screens and air blowers. Next, the outer shells are removed, separating the kernels from the husks. To enhance oil extraction, the kernels are roasted at controlled temperatures. This step also improves flavor and aroma. The roasted kernels are then fed into a powerful oil press machine, where intense pressure extracts the oil. The crude oil is filtered to remove impurities, ensuring clarity and purity. Undergoes further refining to improve color, taste, and shelf life. Finally, the purified oil is packaged into bottles and sealed for distribution.